The 2016 Audi S3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-kilometer mark. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as front and rear reading lights, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.